Hey everyone, welcome back. And today I'm in Northern California at Burney Falls. I know this doesn't look like a waterfall area, but it will be. So let's go check it out. Okay, we're trying to get a better view. We're going to go over here. This is the top area. You can hear it. We're going to go down below too. Here's a good overhead shot. This is the path down below the falls to see the epic below the falls view. Okay, we're getting a little closer. This is where we were. It's pretty loud down here. You know what's crazy is this is late August and it's raging. This waterfall is so beautiful. Look at that. Okay, we're getting closer. Look at the color of the water, man. What a beautiful waterfall that is. There we go. So awesome. What an awesome waterfall. Okay, I'm gonna go down. It's crazy, it's kind of cold down here. From the wind this waterfall's producing, and there's a little bit of a mist. Okay, we're walking down the path to the end here. And another perspective of the waterfall. Just saw some little critters running. The pool before you has been a destination for thousands of years. There's these little, they look like kind of squirrel or something living in here. They look like the paradise here. And to get a little farther down, if we had a fishing pole, you could throw it in right there. Find yourself a nice trout or two. I like the mossy rocks that hold the earth back. Looks like another planet.
Yeah.
Fun fact from Ryan.
Yeah, so you see the holes in these rocks. This is because these rocks were originally magma that cooled. And the magma within these rocks isn't, magma isn't 100% solid. So these are natural just pockets of air that were still within the magma when it cooled. And so if you were to take a sledgehammer and just wonk this rock right here, it would leave holes all the way throughout.
Like Swiss cheese.
Yeah, like Swiss cheese. Be really interesting.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good fun fact. Yeah. Look at the river. Rushing water. It looks so clear. part of the Burney Falls is this cabin. This cabin constructed in 1939 by the Civil Conservation Corps, restored by Friends of the Falls, 1984 to 86. And there goes a squirrel running across. It's a cool looking cabin. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed the Burney Falls video today in the Trinity Alps, close to Mount Shasta. And thanks for coming along with me today. This is a pretty amazing tropical looking waterfall, but it's actually 48 degrees of water here. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up, some comments, and I'll see you on my next video.